How to fix Instagram message notification not showing up. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix your Instagram messages notifications not showing up. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first what you have to do is that you have to go to your apps info, your Instagram apps info. So if you are on Android, press and hold the Instagram icon and then tap on this eye icon here. Then go to notifications and scroll down a little bit, and here you will see direct. In direct you have to turn on Instagram direct, that means Instagram messages. So you have to tap on this and make sure that it is turned on. So in my phone it is turned on. And if you turn on and still aren't getting message notifications, what you have to do is that go back and tap on internal storage and tap on clear data, and after clearing data uninstall your Instagram app and again install it, and also restart your phone, and that should fix your Instagram messages notifications not showing a problem. So guys, this was it for this video. Thanks for watching.